Hey guys, this is Martin for Take a Look Pool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the GoPro 3-way grip, arm, and tripod. I have my handy knife. Let's get to it. Okay, first let's take a look at the box because it tells us a lot about this product. So first of all, this is the way how you can use the arm. This is the grip part, and this is the tripod use. On the rear side, again we have the grip like that or like this with the arm attached at a different angle, again with a different angle. The tripod with an extension and a different use of the arm. One side is completely blank. Another side tells us that it is compatible with all GoPro cameras. Let's take a look inside the box. So I have to cut the security stickers. There we go. Basically all we get is the gadget itself. There's no documentation needed for it. This is how you extend it. There's a little sticker over here for unlocking. And that's pretty much it. Nice and compact. Yeah, so to close this so that you don't get your fingers in there, you actually have to press this part over here. And this is the little screw mount for the top. One more thing, the tripod. The tripod is actually in the base. Unscrew it over here and it spreads like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 3-way grip, arm, and tripod.